everyone, I'm criminology student Mark Lawrence of Alcantara, and it is all about on general chemistry in criminology.
Here's the first question. Why are you most excited to try this laboratory?
I'm excited to try this laboratory because I want to discover new things, explore how experiments are done, and deepen my understanding of the subject.
Here's the next question. What skills do you expect to gain from this lab?
I expect to learn on how to use the laboratory tools, to practice the safety, and to improve my problem-solving skills, and that's all.
Here's the last question. How will this skill help you in your criminology journey and future career?
These skills will help me to develop discipline, accuracy, and critical thinking, which I can use not only in criminology classes, but also in my future career as an investigator or law enforcer, where attention to detail and proper procedure can make a big difference in solving crimes.